Hello and welcome to all today for the weekly healthcare update from CynoDent International. We are here with a new video about weekly healthcare updates. So without any delay, let's move to the video. Gut bacteria may fuel prostate cancer treatment resistance. Many people being treated for breast cancer use cannabis but don't tell their doctor. Researchers says more than 40% of people being treated for breast cancer use cannabis to help them with side effects from treatment. Nearly half of those who use cannabis have not told their doctor. NIH-funded study explains how intravenous immune globulin helps children with rare COVID conditions. Buprenorphine misuse decreased among US adults with opioid use disorder from 2015 to 2019. NIH study highlights the need to expand buprenorphine-based treatment while monitoring and reducing misuse. Brain activity patterns after trauma may predict long-term mental health. Study shows link between post-trauma brain activity and symptoms of anxiety. High dose of concentrated therapy produces several lasting benefits for children with cerebral palsy. NIH-funded study suggests oxytocin does not improve social functioning in children with autism spectrum disorder. Precision medicine data dive shows water pill may be viable to test as Alzheimer's treatment. Australia's largest city, Sydney, has emerged from COVID lockdown after almost 4 months, with locals celebrating a range of new freedoms. Scientists targeted with abuse during pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has made celebrities out of scientists who have graced the daily news headline and gained large social media followings. But this rise in prominence has come with online abuse and even physical harassment. The World Health Organization has honored an African American woman whose cells have led to crucial medical breakthroughs. NTA NEET Answer Key 2021 released on neet.nta.nic.in. So our last update of this video is about COVID-19 data of total cases and about COVID vaccination data which are given on screen. So I hope you all like this video, and for more such videos don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.